Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about how we can create a contact us form for our website. And for this tutorial we're going to use this website and we're going to create a new contact us form for this website, and the form will be integrated on the contact us page of this website, which is currently looking like this. And we're going to create one contact us form and add it here. So in order to do that, first of all you need to locate back to your WordPress dashboard. I have already located back to my dashboard, and from here you need to go to the plugin section and install plugin and click on add new. Once you reach here, you need to search for the plugin name from which we are going to create a contact us form, which is Fluent Form. And we're going to use this plugin, so you can click on install now. Once you click here, you need to activate this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you're going to see the option like this, Fluent Form, in your dashboard. So you need to go for the forms. So by default there are already two sections or two forms are available, and we're going to create one new form, which is we can do from add new form. And for this we're going to use the blank template. Okay, so the form is currently looking like this. We're going to design it and name it like contact us form, rename, and we're going to add the sections like first name last name, which is name field. Now we're going to add the section of email. Similarly we're going to add the section of subject, which is here. You can edit the text from here. Now again we need to add one section for message, and for this we're going to use the text area, and you can type here. Okay, so once we have done this, you need to click on save form option. Okay, now the part which we needed to do from admin dashboard is already completed. Now locate back to your contact us form. So this website is designed with the help of Elementor, so we're going to edit this website with the help of Elementor, edit with Elementor. So click on here. Once we reach to this page, we need to search for the option that is form, okay, which is here Fluent Form, and I'm going to drag and drop this option this side. I just need the form right above this, and from here you need to select your form, which is contact us form, this, which we have recently designed. Now we need to redesign this so that it is going to look elegant in our website. In order to do that, we're going to click edit and go for styles, and here from here we're going to give the padding of 20 pixels from each side, so it will going to get compressed. Now after this we're going to give a box shadow. So in order to do that, you can click on this box shadow option, and it will going to get a box shadow over all the fields. Now you can go over and click here according to you. You can give your blur. So I'm going to give 2, and it will going to look like this. And after this you can click on publish, and you can preview your site from there, preview changes, and you can see that the contact us form is integrated over here. So thank you for watching this tutorial.